Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about SilverStone ALTA D1 modular workstation chassis. So friends, SilverStone has announced highly modular chassis meant for workstation, high-end desktop and even SMB server. In this case, a start traction of 2024 Computex. So friend, full tower with several modular internal components that let you use the case in different ways and don't install two PSU, replace the second PSU both with pair 5.25-inch drive bay and don't have a lots of add-on cards. Put the space to use for cooling or storage, and there is a plethora of configuration possible with the various include components, cages and base. Its basic internal structure is horizontally partitioned with the lower half containing the motherboard tray, and there is room for SSI-EEB 12-inch into 13-inch or a larger specification form factor that's up to 15.12 inch into 13.2 inch, and there is a total 11 expansion slot with almost 1.5 into add-on cards, height clearance, and so you can use the most bulky graphics card or AI GPU cards with their 12-volt 2 into 6 connection sticking out from the top, and you can even mount server grade high airflow ventilation, and the case include a pair of 180 mm intake fans and 140 mm rear exhaust, and there is a third 140 mm intake fan for upper compartment. In the upper compartment has a pair a rear ended base for either redundant PSU or single PSU, with the other bay holding a pair of 5.25-inch drive. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.